Yeah. Are y'all ready to party? Yes. I be your boy Big Kev, straight from the GX team, repping for the Garifuna community.
Somos el grupo GX Team. Hola mi gente, ¿cómo están? Soy su servidor Big Kev del grupo GX Team y aquí les vengo anunciando nuestros próximos eventos, los cuales vienen siendo parte de nuestra gira promocional. El concepto de esta gira musical es para enseñarle al mundo entero que la música garífuna vive y que esta generación estamos trabajando durísimo para elevar la música garífuna, especialmente el grupo GX Team. So with that being said, I want everybody punta rocking hard and I mean check. August 21st, Club Rhythms. September 5th, we're gonna be at Best Party Place. GX Team, Mino Arsu, Baby Lou, HMP, and many more people y'all gotta come and peep. Epic, I tell ya. Come through, NY. Now, I definitely have to present the main event. November 20th, for the first time, this is gonna be an epic show at Club Rhythms. Mino Arsu, GX Team, and Galissimo on one stage. I repeat, GX Team, Mino Arsu, and Galissimo sharing one premises. The name of this show is Garina Gulida Aba. I want everybody coming through with their flags to represent for the Garifuna culture. We all we got, you know what I mean? We gotta do this for us. And once again, November the 20th, GX Team, Mino Arsu, and Galissimo from the Legacy Gifted Camp. At the #1 reggae club of Houston, Texas, Club Rhythms. I want everybody coming through. Buy your tickets in advance. It's only 20 beans, man. $20. ¿Me entiendes, Méndez?